After weeks of planning, we are finally hitting the road. This incredible machine is going to take us across the country, starting right here in the Mojave.
Welcome back to RV Heaven, the channel, where we turn RV confusion into total confidence. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your RV and thought, okay, where does the water come from? Where does it go? And what happens in between? If that sounds familiar, don't worry. By the end of this video, the entire RV water system will make perfect sense. Today, we're breaking down the 3 tanks every RV has: fresh water, gray water, and black water. Once you understand how these 3 work together, RV plumbing becomes shockingly simple. Think of your RV water system like your body. Fresh water is what you drink. Gray water is what comes out of the sink and shower. And black water is what comes from the toilet. Simple idea. But inside an RV, it's all managed through tanks, pumps, and valves. Let's start with fresh water. Fresh water is your clean, usable water. This is the water you drink, cook with, shower with, and wash your hands with. Your RV can get fresh water in 2 ways, either from the onboard fresh tank or from a city water hookup at a campground. When you're connected to city water, the campground is pushing pressurized water directly into your RV. That means you don't need to use your water pump at all. The water flows straight to your faucets and shower just like in a house. When you're not connected to city water, your RV uses the fresh water tank. This tank stores clean water, and your water pump pressurizes it and sends it through your RV. Every time you open a faucet, the pump kicks on and pushes water through the system. Now here's an important rule a lot of new RV owners miss. Never run your water pump if your fresh tank is empty. You can burn it out! So where does all that used water go? That brings us to gray water. Gray water is everything that goes down your sinks and shower. That's dishwater, hand washing water, and shower water. It's dirty, but it's not sewage. All of that drains into your gray tank. Now here's something interesting. Your gray tank often fills up faster than your black tank, especially if you take long showers or wash a lot of dishes. And when it's full, water will start backing up into your shower or sink. That's your warning sign. And finally, the one everyone is scared of, the black tank. The black tank holds toilet waste. Anything that goes down the toilet ends up here. This tank is sealed and vented, and when managed properly, it doesn't smell and it's not gross. The key to black tank health is water. Always use plenty of water when flushing. A dry black tank is a problem tank. Now let's talk about dumping.
Welcome to the future of RV management. This diagram shows the complete system overview, allowing for real-time monitoring of both the wiring and the plumbing.
When you dump your tanks, you always dump the black tank first. Then you dump the gray tank. Why? Because the gray water helps rinse out the sewer. Hose after the black tank is emptied. This one simple habit makes RV life cleaner, easier, and way less disgusting. Let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They leave the black tank valve open at a full hookup site. Never do this. If you leave it open, the liquids drain out, but the solids stay behind. And you end up with a lovely little mountain of waste inside your tank. That's called a poop pyramid. And yes, it's exactly as bad as it sounds. Always keep the black tank valve closed and dump only when the tank is at least half full. Now let's talk about tank sensors. If your tank sensors say full, even after you dump, welcome to RV life. Sensors get dirty. The best way to manage this is to not trust them completely. Learn to judge tank levels by usage and experience. A clean tank is a happy tank. Use tank treatments. Flush thoroughly. And never skimp on water when flushing. Now here's the big picture. Fresh water comes in. You use it. Gray and black water go out into their tanks. When the tanks are full, you dump them. That's it. That's the entire RV water system. Once you see it this way, it stops being intimidating and starts being simple. If this video helped you understand your RV better, make sure you subscribe to RV Heaven. We break down RV systems, gear, upgrades, and real-world RV living in a way that actually makes sense. And if you want to travel smarter, avoid expensive mistakes, and actually enjoy RV life instead of fighting it, you're in the right place.
Solid construction and peace of mind. That's what traveling in luxury is all about.